Hey, got you. So, it's like a small experiment. If you find yourself stuck in something, in a story, or maybe there's a problem that you would like to solve, I would like to share just a small approach with you. So usually when we say we've got a problem, usually we're just stuck in a story, which is imagination. And often we try to get out of it by imagining something on top of that imagined picture, of that sequence. But through that we're just trying to find a fix, find a solution with the imaginary tool of the mind through an imagined story that is also coming from the mind. So this leads basically to a solution within the story of the mind, which doesn't bring really total satisfaction or a solution to something. So here's something different. Like whenever you find yourself in a situation where there's a problem, now we're trying to face the awareness, which is facing the mind, trying to turn it away to something which is real. And by turning it to something which is real, for example, the body, the heartbeat, the breath, we are not turning towards the mind, the content of the mind, the story, which is basically the problem. So in turning away from it, a distance is created. So the content of the mind disappears, which is basically the story. So now through that distance we have some clarity. This is the situation, problem, awareness, facing the mind. Just turn it to something which is not imagined, like the breath. So the distance gets created and we have some more clarity. And then look with that clarity onto the imagination and see what you can find. Could it be possible, just by switching from this, facing the content of the mind, the story, to this here, the story of the mind disappears? Because the attention is not there anymore, the attention is the fuel. Could it be possible that just with this clarity we gained, the story starts to fall apart? Maybe it's all just about clarity. Clarity, which you're gonna gain through distance. Distance through what? From the mind and all the contents of the mind. That leads to clarity. And that's basically what you want, clarity. And to watch with that clarity, to see if the problem is still there, or if it just disappeared. Maybe it's all about turning away from it, and in the turning, it collapses. Bye bye.